Everyone, and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to get one of the best build out there. So all you have to do is make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end to be able to have access to this build. Before wasting much of your time, let's get started. So open your Kodi device and click on settings, scroll down and click on system, and then click on add-ons. Once you get here, click on unknown sources, enable it and click yes. And then on your remote, click on the back button. Once you get here, click on the file manager, click on add source, click on none, and then enter this URL exactly the way it is. https digs 1.me/digs repo. Click OK. Click OK. Click on the back button on your remote. Once you get here, click on add-ons. Scroll down and click on install from zip file. Click on the name you save the media file with, and then wait for it to install. As you can see from the screen, it's already installed. Click on install from repository, and then click on Diggz repository. Click on program add-ons. Now click on chef wizard. Click on install, and then wait for it to finish installation. If you are not to this channel, please subscribe, enable notification, and then make sure you use a VPN when accessing Kodi content. A VPN will protect your online privacy and then enable you to stream anonymously. So click on Chef Wizard, click on Open. Here is the menu of the build of the wizard, right? You see the build menu, maintenance. If you want to authorize debris or cracked account, this is where you're gonna do that. Then check notifications, videos, and settings. So we're not into this. Our focus is on the builds, right? So click on build menu. Then these are the builds we find here, right? You find the Diggz AIO free debris, Diggz AIO free or debris, Server 2, DMO simply estuary Server 2, MS build Server 2, CG Server 2. So each of these builds have two servers, right? So for the sake of this video, we're gonna choose the first one, which is Diggz AIO free or debris. Click on it, click continue, and then it will start installation. So these are the steps to have this build on your device. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and enable notification. Don't forget to drop your comment on the comment section. I will be willing to answer your questions. Okay guys, so that's it. See you guys in my next video.